What the freak? I hear noises right now. I don't know if you guys hear that. But if you... shut up, crickets and frogs. Shut the freak up.
What is wrong with Logan?
Logan? What the freak?
What do you want?
What did you just do?
I didn't do it.
Say hi to the camera.
Shut up,
I'm
go.
recording. 1.9, X.19. Okay. There is so much freaking smoke. Like, right. Oh. I'm getting down. Going down. Wait, I'm gonna go get cover. Logan, I'm gonna get a towel and sit on it. My butt's dirty. Whoa! What is that, guys? What was that? We're in the bathroom right now, and if I go in here, there's some towels. So I'm gonna take my beach towel because I love it very much. And if Dark watches this, this is where I took a shower. Yeah, that wrap fell. Never picking it up though. I got a towel, so I'm going back outside. I have no freaking idea what they're doing. So I just got blue. Woo! Tell me in the comments below, which one did you like better? Number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 5, and blah, 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 blah. If you watch all these parts, see what they're right close to the pool. The pool's like right there. It's the 4th of July! I don't... I'm gonna die! It smells like burnt potatoes. It smells like burnt potato smoke. What the frick? He just threw something in there.
That was just a firecracker.
What was a freaking firecracker?
See it?
What is a firecracker?
Just a little thing with a thing in the end of it, you light it and it goes to pieces. It's burning over there now, though. This potato will shoot forever. It's smoke.